Who's the bravest kitty in the backyard? Willow, Willow, Willow. Who can climb a fence 'cause it isn't hard? Apparently Willow, Willow, Willow. Whisper somewhere, hiding over there. Little feral kitty, scared of the city. Willow's eating sunflower seeds that I put out for the birds. Willow, those are for the birds. What are you doing? You're not a bird. You're a squirrel. And birds flying overhead. Like, but we want seed. And way up on the neighbor's house, there's a mourning dove. Or, ho, 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 ho. Birds are flying overhead, squawking at me because they want to come down, but Willow's there. But we want food. We're terrified of the little kitty. That's for hot dogs, not for hot cats or hot squirrels. Poof.